Quimby.
What's going on, guys? Back here working on the EF. It is Saturday.
Week before Christmas.
Yep. We just got to raise the passenger side of the car a little bit, and then work on the front toe. That's what we'll be doing today. So
we need the rear to. We need that side to look like this side, right?
Yes. Yep. Driver's side we got dialed in last week. Passenger side we just gotta raise it up probably about 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch.
All these plants. Yeah, it's lower. So we have to loosen the strut bolts from the top just to get the wheel off.
Yep.
And then, well, it's good. You know what? It's going to be easier to get the wheel on and off now that we're picking the car up too.
Oh yeah.
So that's going to be good. Hopefully we won't have to always do that.
So we just got to take these rear strut bolts out real quick just to drop the suspension down since it's so stiff and tucked up under. So it's just two 14mm nuts on top just to drop the suspension down, like I said. So we're just going to take those off real quick.
I mean, if we were really lazy, we could probably just spin the fork, but we should just take it off.
Yeah.
Especially since we take it in and out so fucking quick.
Yep.
The MPC hardware is pretty cool.
Dope.
Alright, so we got the strut out. So what we got to do to raise the car, we're basically going to make the strut taller. So we're just going to spin this down. We measured the other side from... This is covered in anti-seize because some of the threads aren't too happy, but from there to the bottom was 2.5. We're at 2 on this side. So basically we're raising it 1/2 inch to match the other side. All the way down?
Yep.
It's not going to rub at all.
Nope.
It's not going to rub at all.
Nope, that's perfect.
What do you think? It's not too high up, right?
No. It's close, but it's not going to rub at all. You got perfect fitment.
It would be rubbing hard if we didn't cut the inside of the quarter. I'll tell you that.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Dude,
the quarter panels are thick.
The fitment is nice.
It's like literally the same on this side. Perfect.
Can we do the camber wrap? So, we're putting the camber wrap on the wheel.
12.
It's not that steady.
No, I'm shaky. 12.6.5, 12.7.
We'll go with 12.7. So it looks like they're matched pretty good. Oh, dude, we're money. 12.5.
12.5, 12.6.
So the camber's pretty much perfectly matched. The height is identical.
Without putting it up on an alignment rack or anything, just by eye,
that's all.
amazing.
That's what we want.
That's amazing. So
rear
end is done now.
Until we get the trailing arm bushings, of course.
Yeah.
But we don't have to mess with the camber or the struts anymore.
No, so that's pressing a bushing out, putting a new one in. So
that's a relief.
Yeah. So
to me to not have to mess with that.
So now
camber gang
onto the front end.
Yeah. So now what? Are we going to adjust the toe? Yeah, right.
We gotta adjust the toe pretty bad. We gotta get the wheel straight.
We're probably gonna have to raise the coils a little bit, right?
I don't know, because I mean you're hitting now, but that's only because your wheel
is towed out so bad.
Here, I mean you might have to, but only the littlest bit. You might even have to give it another degree of camber, but
which we have the adjustment
because
we have the adjustment. Yeah. We're at max positive camber on the upper control arms.
Yeah.
So because the angle of the spindles.
We could probably go, what, -8 if we wanted to in the front.
What do you think? Can we put it on here to see what we're sitting at now? Yeah. Actually,
yeah.
It has tilt.
You think it's negative a little bit?
I want to say -6.
-4.4.
Okay, okay. Not that much. That's a lot more rear, man.
It doesn't even look like -4 over there, honestly. -7.
Oh, really?
So -4, -7.
Okay.
We'll dial it in a little bit.
Yeah, let's see.
It's not hard at all.
Alright, so to adjust the front camber, it's at the upper control arm. Don't mind us, we need pads and a new rotor. But there's 3 Allens on each side up here that we got to loosen up on our K-tune upper control arm, and then it's going to allow us to push it in or out once it's loose. So we got the front sitting, we're pretty happy with how we got the front sitting. Toe is pretty good by eye on both sides. We think we got the height matched. So we decided, what the hell, let's try to put the front end on. So here we are. The headlight somehow fits, even with the pulley.
No idea how.
Sitting this close. Light's dead, but it somehow clears the pulley. So we're gonna see if we can get the front end on and see how this thing looks sitting at this height. It's still not drivable. We need an intake manifold gasket. I need some parts. I'm broke. I need to wait a little bit, but we're doing what we could.
Exactly.
We got a lot of work done. So we got the front end on, and man, this thing looks so nice. It looks great to see the fitment dialed in. It still needs a lot of body work, but to see the fitment dialed in and to see the front end all together, thing looks good. The hood obviously does not close still. We got some figuring out to do with that. But this thing looks so nice. So we picked up some pink/purple 194s from amazingwish.com. So we have the Sambar here, and we decided we're going to put it in the running lights.
And the blinkers.
Yeah, and the blinkers too. Dan wants to make the blinkers red.
Alright, the real question is, will we get them first try?
Yeah.
Hopefully.
It's probably like what, 15 degrees out right now? It's cold.
Yeah.
Because the high was like 20 for the day or something.
Yeah. No. Ah, the blinker works, yeah.
Yeah, blinker's working.
Yeah.
They both work?
Yeah.
Hey.
Yep.
They look pretty cool. Turn them on with the headlights. Nice. It's pretty cool. For wish.com, I mean. So, these old corner lights fit like total shit. I had a good feeling that I had some new ones. Couldn't find them, but we finally did. So, the overall design is way better of these two. We put that one in, it already fits a lot better, so we're gonna pull this out. That one looks so much better, right?
Way better.
We have new of these two. Should we swap those two, you think? Yeah,
I think so. Might as well. You got new ones.
Yeah, if you don't mind. These actually seem pretty nice for aftermarket.
Yeah.
You know what helps too? I got the new clips for in here.
Nice.
On the fenders.
Nice.
So it's almost like... pretty much sitting good. Yeah. I just need the gun.
Ooh, they're rusty.
Yeah, this one did have a gasket.
Okay. Pull that gasket off that.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
Original, I guess, right?
Probably.
Or OEMs from some EF that been on there for a while.
Yep.
The outer one gets the long one.
Yeah, no, but this one,
You kind of have to hold the hold the clear guy up.
It feels like it's like really, I don't know, do you want to do this?
I'll do it. It's up there. Throw this one in real quick.
Looks so much better. Yeah, it looks way
Oh,
better.
yeah. That looks dope.